Today we're going to replace the lockout pin, bar and spring on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Disconnect the spark and fan wires. Take off the cylinder head by twisting. Disconnect the retaining ring by removing the screw with the provided Allen key. Remove the 2 screws, then the 4 holding the body together. Remove the front channel. Now you can lift the combustion chamber and magazine out from the body of the nailer. To remove the nose from the sleeve, disconnect the 2 screws using the provided Allen key. The dowel pin may fall out easily. If not, remove the front plate assembly by pushing out the dowel pin. Remove the lockout pin, then the lockout bar and spring. Place a spring back into the lockout bar, then reattach back into the nose. Then secure it with the lockout pin. Place the nose back onto the sleeve and connect with the dowel pin. Secure with the 2 screws. Return the combustion chamber and magazine back into the right handle body. Then clip the left handle body into the magazine and make sure the body of the nailer shuts firmly. Secure the 2 shoulder screws and then the 4 screws holding the body together. Fix the front channel back. Return the retaining ring and fix it in place with the screw. Secure the cylinder head. Connect the wires back into position. Place the cap back until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the lockout pin, bar and spring on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.